This literature kit on the Trumpet of the Swan by E.B. White is comprised of higher-level questioning that works great with small groups. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students are prompted to think about their future and imagine what they want to be when they grow up. Put events in the order they occur when Sam meets the swans. Describe what the teacher's first reaction to Lewis was when he decided to go to school. Predict how the campers will react to Lewis. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a poem about something students love, similar to what Sam did for the headman at the zoo. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Label and describe the different parts that make up the anatomy of a trumpeter swan. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.